Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the hidden windows feature can speed up your PC. If your computer is sluggish or feels unresponsive, this feature I show you can help to make it faster. To begin, we'll be opening the Windows Services console. To do this, then press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. So this will open the run prompt if you have a keyboard. And then if without the Windows key, just right click on the start menu and then select this run. And then pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this services and services local, and on right side panel, and then we need to find and locate this SysMain. So you need to scroll down and find this SysMain service. All right. So what is SysMain? In the earlier versions of Windows, SysMain, called the Superfetch, is a background service in Windows that regularly monitor the programs you use and loads them into memory to make your PC faster. The goal of it is to improve system performance by preloading frequently used applications into memory. While this can be helpful for apps to launch faster, it sometimes leads to high CPU and memory usage, causing performance problems, especially on older computer. Since SysMain is competing with active programs you already have open, this can lead to your PC feeling unresponsive or cold, seemed like it's lagging. So here's where I change these settings. So all you have to do is to select this SysMain service. All you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up these SysMain services properties. So here in general properties, and then startup type, then you can say this automatic settings. So all you have to do is to change this automatic either manual or disabled. Okay, so select either manual or disabled settings. And then doing this will prevent it from automatically starting up with you boot into Windows. Then next step, if you choose already the startup type manual or disabled, and then you need to apply and then click OK. Alright, and then we need to close this services. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to speed up your PC. If it was, give it a thumbs up and share with others or having performance problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.